Hi, in this video we'll talk about lists. So here you can see that I have a list of courses: HTML basics, JavaScript basics, and React. And you already know that HTML ignores line breaks, so that's why we're seeing them in one line. Now you also know that if you want to preserve the structure of this text, we can use the pre tag. Let's try and do that. So write pre, and we just put this thing inside. All right, and now we can see that it works. Another option would be to use line breaks. So let's remove the pre tag. Now let's format it. Okay, and here we can write BR. We can write BR here and BR here. And now you can see that all of them are placed on separate lines. Now, these are not the best options. Let me show you which one is. If we want to render a list in HTML, we can use a special tag UL, which stands for unordered list. So we just write UL. Now, inside of unordered list, we need to have list items. So write list item, let's press tab. And here you can see this list item. Now let's paste this inside. Now let's create another one. Okay, now let's put JavaScript basics inside. And now let's do React. Okay, here I'll write another list item and paste React inside. Okay, let's remove these and let's remove the empty lines. Okay, and now you can see that next to each item we have this bullet, and we also have some extra space on the left. We can also use another type of list, which is an ordered list. So here we would need to rename it to OL. And to do it in two places at the same time, I'm going to put my cursor here. Then I'm going to hold Alt and put my cursor here. Now you can see that I have two cursors. And now I just write OL. Hit Enter. Okay, and now we can see that the bullets were substituted with 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's go back to UL. Another feature of lists is that they can be put inside of each other. So let me show you what I mean. I'll copy this list, and here where I have this list item, I'm going to put this on the new line, and I'm going to paste this. And now you can visually see with the indentation that my first list item has sub-items. And we can do this multiple times. So here where we have React, I'm going to put another list inside. Okay, let's paste it. All right, and we can see that now React has some sub-items. You can also notice that these bullets are different for each list, so you don't confuse them. Here we have dots that are painted in full. Here we have empty dots, and here we have squares. We can also use ordered and unordered lists within each other. So here we can rename this list to an ordered list. Let me show you another shortcut. So here, if I press F2, I can just write OL, and it will change it in two places. Here, in the opening tag, and in the closing tag. And now we can see that we have unordered list here, but the ordered list here. From the point of view of HTML structure, it is preferred to use lists when we want to display a list of items. It also allows users who use screen readers to navigate the website easier.